Good day everyone! In this video I will show you the technique of applying decorative paint with a marble effect, marble imitation. Another name Veneziano, decorative Venetian plaster for interiors. Initial stage of preparation. Gypsum putty, applied in 2 layers. Sand, and apply a deep penetration primer. Apply a thin layer of decorative Venetian plaster for interior work. After drying, draw a sketch with a pencil. Imagine a frozen river or lake with cracks. To correct the drawing, you can wipe everything with a damp sponge, like an eraser. In Veneziano, add pigment, whatever colors you like. In my case, lilac, purple, black, brown. For each color we prepare light shades. Apply languid and light tones into the mixture. Where you don't like, remove with a damp sponge or damp cloth. For a smooth transition from colors around the edges, mix with white. There should be absolutely no sharp or straight lines. There should be no marks at all from the trowel, spatula, tool. Add pure white Venetian plaster around the edges for a smooth transition. We seem to cover up the dark edges, but later, after applying wax, the lower layers will appear and a smooth transition will be obtained. If you want what it will look like after applying wax, blot the edges with a damp cloth. This will be a preview of the wax effect. Wax is the last protective layer. We apply it at the end. So a preview can be done by moistening it with water. The next stage after drying is sanding with a sander. Grinding in 3 stages, for each grinding 1 to 203002, 600, 3, 1000 to 2000. The next stage is combining all the layers, smoothing them with a trowel or spatula. Now we repeat everything we did from the very beginning, but this time more accurately and in detail. Apply white Venetian plaster in a very thin layer. Sketch with a pencil, then apply a detailed drawing with a brush. Smooth with a trowel well. Remove excess with a damp cloth. Apply light colors and then dark ones. Apply carefully. Do not leave sharp or right angles. Coat the edges with a damp cloth or sponge. We dilute the darkest tones with white on the instrument, so that there are natural veins, for example black 85%, white 15%. After drying for about 1 to 2 hours, sand in 3 stages: 1, 6000, 2, 600, 3 to 1000. Then smooth with the tool merge layers. Then draw the veins like this with a squirrel brush. 0, 1. After the veins have dried for about 1 hour, wipe them with a dry cloth or sponge, giving a natural look. Then apply gold varnish or powder or silver. according to your taste. First option, application with a plastic spatula. Second option, with a brush and sponge. The next process is to apply a protective layer of wax. Smear it and remove it in a very thin layer. Apply decorative wax in small sections. Immediately after application, spread it over the surface, Fox for polishing attachment. Manually, and then with a grinder. Run the sander on low speed to prevent the wax from burning, which can cause dark marks. Well, if this happens, then scrape off the dark spots with a small spatula, being careful not to scratch the surface. After this, it was necessary to somehow separate the three types of marble so that there would be harmony. I applied decorative plaster Map of the World or Grotto. See the technique of applying decorative plaster, Map of the World or Grotto, in another video on the channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone!